Hello, my dear friends. I hope everybody well. You are doing great. And today I am present here uh, with a SMPS. So I have got this SMPS. A fault outside is not giving. Outside voltage is not giving. First of all, I will check input power. So I will show you everything step by step how I will do this type of SMPS repair. Every SMPS like this way you can also check and you can also repair it. I will show you everything. First of all I will give input power. It's a this is this brand and output voltage 24 volt DC and 5 ampere current and 120 watt this SMPS and select brand and also this input 100 to 240 volt AC 50 to 60 hertz we can give this power input power. So first of all I will give power by series line. Everybody should always firstly when you will give power you will give series line power because we don't know how the condition right now in this circuit. So firstly we will give series line. I'm giving this line series line. This is phase line. I'm connecting. Sorry. This is line phase. You should tight it properly because this is AC line. It's so dangerous. We should care it perfectly. Then I will connect neutral line. You will see here this is line and neutral. I connect phase and neutral. So now I will give power. What is the condition right now? I will show you. Firstly I will give power. Okay, yes, I have given power. Now I will check AC power. I have set 600 volt AC. So I will check firstly input side current voltage, it's giving or not. Yes, 211 voltage AC. You will see 211. And now I will check DC voltage 200 what I have said. Now I will check. Now I will check output. You know here, first to positive line and last second to negative line. So I will not. It's not giving output. Then I will check another negative and positive. It is not giving. Here, if I show you, this one positive and this one negative, it is not giving value, and this one negative, not giving value, and this one positive and this one negative is not giving value. It's not giving value. We know when it will give power output, then this light should be start, should be run, should be give light, but it is not giving. So now I will open this power, and firstly I have to cut off the power, and then I will remove it. Firstly, then I will check step by step. Okay. I will check firstly optocoupler, it's okay or not. One, okay. It's okay, no problem. And IC also is looking good. I can check also. I will connect series line again. Then I will check firstly my IC VCC and ground is present or not. I will check first on this output line. Again I have to connect this because I have to give power, and then I have to check IC's VCC and ground. It's getting 17 volt or 16 volt like that, because this IC code number, part number TEA 1733. Again I am going to power. Okay, then I will check. I have gotten this IC's datasheet, and then this IC's number 1 and number 2 pin VCC, number 1 VCC and number 2 ground. So I will check power I have given. Firstly I will check it's giving voltage or not. It's not getting any voltage, VCC. That's why my IC is not working right now. It's not running. It's not getting power. So I will check again before I have to open again. Always be careful. This is AC line. And firstly, always you will give, when give power, you will give power by series line. It will protect you and also protect your circuit, everything it will protect. Now I will check step by step. I will continuity mode. This is continuity mode I have given. Then this is line, this line, this one line, and this line has gone this one. What is this? This is one fuse. This is fuse. I will check this fuse, it's okay or not. This fuse okay, and here, yes, or fuse. Then have a MOV, this one. It's not my concern. Then I will check. Yes, it's giving continuity, and from here this power is going there. So I will check here. Yes, it's giving, and then this power is going from here to here. Yes, it's giving, and from here to here is going. Okay, what is this? This one also capacitor, from capacitor to going inductor. I will check now inductor. Always inductor, coil, primary and secondary coil. No. Yes, it will be continuity. It's giving, but it is not giving. It is not giving. It is giving. It should give it. It should give. It should give, but it is not giving any beef value. Yes, I got this problem. I have to this inductor. Oh my god, you will see here. You will see here. You are seeing, I don't know, this leg open. This inductor leg open. That's why it's not giving value. I will check here by this one. It's okay or not? Yes, it's okay. I got problem. I got problem right now. I have to open this inductor and then I will open now this inductor. Then I will check it. Okay. Okay, I have done the soldering, and this is our inductor. I will open it. Okay, I have to state it. Yes. That's all. Firstly, I have to check this continuity. Okay. This inductor okay. This inductor okay. Just its leg has broken, one leg, this leg, so I have to join this leg. I will join this one. I will take this LED leg, one LED leg, and then I will join this. Okay. I will give some paste here. I have to connect here. I will do soldering right now. Right. Okay. I have connected leg. Just I have done it by peak, I can say it. So I will put here again. I believe it will be okay. This is SMPS. Well, I will connect it again. Now I will do soldering. Now my friend, I have finished soldering right now. So I have finished soldering right now. Now I will give power again before I will check its continuity is given or not. This is continuity mode. I will check again. It's giving power. This is line, and then fuse input, and fuse input to fuse output, and then this one, and then this one is continue. Okay my friend, it's giving now beef, and this one is giving hot, and right now our inductor is now okay. If just this one fault, then our SMPS will be okay. If another issue, then it will not be okay. But first I will check. I have fixed first problem. First I will check now it's okay or not. If it's not okay, then I will try another way. Firstly I have done this, so then I will do another way if it's not work. Okay, I'm giving series line right now. We always, when we will repair anything, we will give firstly series line. It will protect us and protect our circuit also. Okay, I have given. Now I will give power. My friend, you are seeing it's giving power right now. So I have to clean it properly by brush. Okay. Yes, yes, my friend. It's giving output right now. Now I will check. Now I will check. It's giving output or not. Firstly, I will check AC line. You know, 600 volt AC. So multimeter here, and I will check input line. Input voltage. How much is giving? 207 volt. Now output, I will check DC mode, and then I will see here I will see this one positive and this one negative. How much? 24 volt, my friend. And this one positive and this one negative. 24 volt. Now this SMPS is right now working. So we have gotten this fault. It was inductor leg broken, that's why it's not transferring voltage line to another line to socket transformer. That's why it's not switching our IC. That's why MOSFET is not also giving negative. That's why it was not working. Now it is working. So everything is now it is working. And thank you again for watching this video. I believe this video will be beneficiary for you.